Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS and clearing recent heavy apps so the switcher stays responsive. Once done, show the gesture. Swipe up and hold on Face ID models. Double-press the Home button on older devices. Make sure to practice the motion once or twice. Timing matters. If you don't see cards, check that reachability or guided access isn't active. This first step gets you into the app switcher reliably and prepares the phone for the customization steps that follow. You now change how the switcher behaves by diving into Settings and Accessibility. First, open Settings Home Screen and Dock to adjust app appearance and possible multitasking toggles. On iPhone, this controls layout cues. Next, go to Accessibility Motion and toggle Reduce Motion to alter animation speed. This affects how cards appear and disappear. On iPad, use multitasking options to enable split view or slide over. You finish by testing the new behavior. Open several apps, invoke the switcher, and confirm animations, layout, and multitasking work as expected. If gestures fail, perform a force restart for your model. This clears transient issues. If card order or layout looks wrong, reset home screen layout in Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone. And if problems persist, update iOS first. If that doesn't help, contact Apple support. Quick troubleshooting stops small glitches from blocking your workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.